back after a long time, my viewers, esteemed viewers and followers. Thank you for tuning in. I've taken a long time without uploading any videos, but then I've come back. I was quite busy. Yeah, there. So, without further ado, we are going to go today to the next Microsoft Office Suite application, which we refer to as uh, Microsoft Excel. Of let me go. So this is my folder. Let me create a new Excel file. As you are aware, all the tricks we can use to open. Just do this, which I prefer this one the most. Microsoft Excel worksheet. Right. Yes, so that is my Microsoft Excel worksheet. So today I'm just going to just introduce it to you. What you should know, what should you look out for, how to use it, how each parts work and how it is configured. Yes, because actually I have a very good experience. Okay, an experience with many people telling me Microsoft Excel is the hardest application of all. That it is hard first of all because it has those functions over they have some conditions which not met can result in work that is having errors and some other things because the application itself was designed to be able to help you do simple and complex functions, calculations within your work. But then if you do not feed in the correct function and parameters and configurations, of course it will give you wrong results, which is what we know as garbage in, garbage out. So yes, so to start off we have first of all, when you click here, the first box, this is the what we call as a cell. That rectangular object you are seeing highlighted by the green borders, that is the cell. And if it is highlighted, yes, it is an active cell. Yes, that is a cell. Then we have this. It's the formula bar. That is where we put our formulas or functions when we are doing arithmetic computations. This is our name box. Now the name box has a reference, which is that number, like it is the location of the cell that is active at that time. We have our ribbon, this all rectangular area where we have different functions, which are very many functions. Have all those as we are seeing them. Then we have toolbars. Then this is a toolbar. This all objects. Sorry. Then these that keep changing. Row, page layout, formulas, data. Those are the ribbons. And also ribbons have toolbars which have functions. The whole of our object, the whole of our file is a workbook, and this is a worksheet. As you can see, it is sheet 1. You can also hide it. You can rename it any worksheet name you want. You can add another worksheet. Yes, as I was talking about reference, a reference is the location of the cell. So the cell will be called list3. That's why it is having that. So another feature also, an important feature is the rows that are horizontally from A, B, C, D side. Those are rows. Then columns from 1 to 3, 4 down. Those are the columns. Yes. So way of entering data, you just simply click on the active cell, simply type anything. Yes, you can simply type a number, simply type a number, but you have to make sure it is highlighted. So let me get some sample data. Sorry. Yes, so I've got my sample data. Sample data having students' name, subjects, different subjects, their names, and the marks they had. So I want to just give you a difference between a formula and a function. I told you Excel uses arithmetic computations to carry out data calculations. Yes, we have two ways of doing things, which is we can use functions or formulas. So a function, let me start with formulas. Formulas are just, let me say this is a total. Just let me do this. So the total, we shall use a function, a formula is equal to, see this, is cell B2 plus plus cell C2 plus cell D2 plus cell E2. So we close, and that is our formula. It is simply an arithmetic formula we come up with using just simple arithmetic signs, which include subtraction, division, multiplication, addition. Yes, just simply that, and you can click enter and you have the total of the students. And so to apply all these, the formula, the same formula in all our students marks, just simply do this. Just simply you just simply click on that part of the cell, the left corner, the right bottom corner, and you drag and drop, or you can double click. So we simply have that. Another thing, using the function, it is simply a preset formula that is already in the system, which we just use. It is the function we usually use is sum. Yes, it is already there. Sum, sum of, let me say, sum of this, sorry, maybe it's equal to sum. Okay, so our function is equal to sum, sorry, put the bracket after, is equal to sum, and highlight and drag the numbers we want to total, then we can then close. So we have our function. Let's say equals, and it is already, the answer is there, and you can see the same, it is the same answer as the other one. So yeah, as I told you, you can just double click at the where my cursor is, that until the plus signs appears. So we just double click, as I see, and they have to be the same. So this is about the end of my today's presentation. Thank you for listening. Thank you for supporting me. I'll be taking you through the next video as a report, making a report card, doing all those complex functions. In the next video will be about all those errors that occur when functions or formulas are wrongly used and why it occurs and how to avoid it. Okay, thank you very much. Coming to the end of my presentation. Please tune in for the next video. Thank you.